Alright, Dad, let's go with the blues here. So, we made a little bit of that chicken black bean chili soup. We got all the leftover chicken. Well, we ground plenty to do both recipes. Red onion ground up, red bell pepper, jalapeno, a little bit of shallot in there. And we're making a blackened chicken burger. And then a couple of eggs. Okay, we're going to use some nice blackened seasoning. And hot sauce, Frank's hot, red hot. We're going to put a little bit of granulated garlic. Put some cracked red pepper. What's up, Ty? Cracked red pepper for a little heat. Don't forget we got the jalapeno in there. A little white pepper. And we're gonna have to add some breadcrumb for sure, just to tighten it up. We're not putting the green onions on top. Put them in it. In it to win it. I asked B, I said maybe some sour cream? Nope. Nope. No sour cream. So we had to have enough breadcrumbs to kind of absorb the egg. Want a little more flavor off in it. So therefore a little more breadcrumb. That's kind of getting the color I want. Tell by looking at it, it's got some nice flavor. Like I said, I didn't put a whole lot of salt and pepper into it. I want to make sure that it's not too salty. Alright, I'm going to let that set up. Just let that breadcrumb kind of swell up and kind of absorb and finish. And then we'll be right back. B's going to show us how to make what, B?
I'm going to pickle some red onion and some jalapenos to go on top of the burger.
Yummy. Can't wait. Only had a little soup for lunch, so I'm ready to go. So you're going to have to make a focaccia?
Yes.
Okay.
Make that as well.
You want to show them how you're going to do it from start to finish? Or, huh?
Yeah, I can do that.
So what do you want to start first? The relish?
Yeah, let me start the pickling. I'll show them how to do that.
Okay.
And I'll do up the dough and we'll make the bread for the burger. Hi everyone, it's B, Daddy Jack Cooking with the Blues. I'm going to show you how to do a quick pickle. Normally you want to use white vinegar. I'm veering from that, and I'm going to use a little bit of the apple cider vinegar that we have. I've already got the red onion sitting in there soaking. So now we're just going to cut the jalapeno. All right, I'm keeping seeds and all. just gonna throw it right in the pickling. We're gonna let that sit until the burger is ready, and it's gonna go right on top. Hey everybody, we're back. I'm gonna make the focaccia bread for the buffalo chicken burger that we're doing. So with this, I don't spin the dough as large. This is one of our larges. And I only go about as big as our smalls. That's how much I take it out, because I want the dough to rise and be a little thicker than thinner as I do for the pizzas. And this is just our white pizza sauce. Hit it with a little bit of rosemary. And I poke some holes in it, because if I don't, I end up with one large dome. That's only going to take about 3 minutes to cook. All right, we're gonna pull her out. All ready. And now what I do from here is I'll cut it into 4s. This gives me 4 of the burger buns. And I'll show you what I do with it after this. I'm gonna let it cool, and I'll show you what I do with it once he gives me the burger.
Well, right here we got our mixture, our chicken. This is for our buffalo chicken burger. And I'm gonna mark off a few for later on, but we're gonna do one right now. And get that pan nice and hot. What I'll do is here we got some real fine breadcrumbs. So, what do you think, B? Good size?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, they're kind of loose, so I want to add some breadcrumb into it. Add a little bit of butter into it. I don't want to get too crazy with the heat. Just want to give it a good sear. If you want to pass me a platter, we'll yeah. With a kind of slow burner. the last one we put in, so we'll hold off a little bit on it. I gave it a nice crust on it with that fine breadcrumb. That's good. That's good to blanch them off for later. And okay. I bet you these sell like hotcakes. Anything blackened. Our buffalo chicken meatballs, oh my God, cannot keep them in house.
Oh, look out. Almost.
Gotcha?
No.
Got me a little bit. That's what I'm saying, a flat surface. Should lay them in. Don't drop them like I did. Woo. That felt good on the underarm. Hey, you want to finish it over here or on your oven?
I'm gonna finish them out.
Okay. So that's an extra one there. Put just a little bit up. There you go, B. You don't want any cheese on it, do you?
What's that?
No cheese, right?
No, I'm gonna do this with cheese.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish it in there, and then just before it's done, I'm gonna hit it with some blue cheese.
Hey, now blue cheese. That's the way to go. Hey, let's go with the blues. We'll be right back. I can't wait to eat.
Hi everybody, it's B. I'm back to finish up the buffalo chicken burger. Sorry about that. So what I'm doing is now I'm going to take the focaccia and I'm just going to cut it open. And there she is. So I'm going to put it in for a little bit to heat up while the blue cheese is melting on the burger. Never go wrong with blue cheese, right?
No, never enough.
So there goes the burger to melt. And the bread I'm just going to put right at the entrance. That'll be ready in about 3 minutes. We'll be putting this burger together.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, here she is. So we're gonna take this off. Oh, of course. That. I'm gonna take some of this onion. See how when I first put the onion in, it was a bright red, and now you can see it's kind of almost a pink.
Really like, yeah. That's good right there.
Is that too much?
Oh, that's San Antonio special.
No more onion?
Nah. Yeah.
All right. And we're just going to top her off. And there she is. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
I got you this time.
We're right on a plate. Oh. Let's give it a taste, B. Come on. collaborative. Woo.
Cheers.
Salute. Wow. I'll try a gas bar. Huh? Get on the other side. Come over here. There.
That was really
Try
good.
that. Even that chili's good. This is something even better. Wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
Those Alfredo's jalapeños, what? Like in the chili, not that spicy.
Right.
Yeah. Wow.
I hit the pickling with just a teeny bit of sugar.
Wow. Glenn, the rest is for you.
Got it.
Hey, Daddy, you guys go with the blues. Here, another winner chicken dinner. Glenn Tuck here on camera. Gas bar's in the house here, just flew in. Man, them arms must be tired from flying in from Dallas, Texas. Brought the big D with them. Didn't bring any of that warm weather with you, know. And Paula, she's out in sunny Seattle, Washington. Then heading down to Florida. Glenn going down there too. Hey, you work hard, you play hard. Dad Jack's going with the blues.